total volume of three identical cones is the same as that of the bigger cone whose height is 9 centimeter and the diameter 40 centimeter. Find the radius of the base of each smaller cone if the height of each is 108 centimeter. So this is the question. First of all, volume, it's nothing but the capacity of an object. So volume of the cone here. So the formula to identify the volume of a cone, it is 1 by 3 pi r squared h, where r will be the radius of the cone and h is going to be its height. Pi value, it can be taken as 3.14 or you can take it as 22 by 7. It's good practice to take it in the fraction as 22 by 7. Okay, so now we are given that the total volume of 3 cones is the same as a bigger cone. Okay, so first let's write the given condition. The given condition is the volume of 3 identical cones is the same as the volume of the bigger cone. Right? So now let's write the volume formula for a cone. That's nothing but 1 by 3 pi r squared h. Since this side we are talking about the volume of 3 identical cones. For a cone, this will be the volume formula. If it is going to be 3 cones, then it will be 3 into 1 by 3 pi r squared h. This is because we are talking about the volume of 3 cones here. So this will be equal to, this is going to be the volume of a bigger cone. So same formula again, but let's represent it in the different way so that we have some difference in them. 1 by 3 pi r squared h. We are writing it in the upper case so that it is easy for us to differentiate. Okay, this radius will be the radius of the smaller cone and height of the smaller cone. Capital R and capital H is going to denote the radius of the bigger cone and the height of the bigger cone. That's it. Okay, so now radius of the smaller cone. It is mentioned that the volume of 3 identical cones is the same as that of the bigger cone whose height is 9 centimeter. So the height of the bigger cone, h is equal to 9 centimeter and its diameter, it is 40 centimeter. We are given the diameter of the bigger cone, it is 40 centimeter. So how about the radius? Radius, it will be diameter by 2. That is radius 40 by 2, which is 20 centimeter. This is the radius and height corresponding to the bigger cone. Now find the radius of the base of each of the smaller cone. This is the unknown quantity. Radius of the smaller cone is unknown. If the height of the each, that is height of the smaller cone, it is 108 centimeter. Okay, so what are all we are having? We are having the height and radius of the bigger cone, height of the smaller cone. We don't know the radius of these smaller cones. Okay, now let's simplify in the formula. In this step we are going to simplify. 3 gets cancelled. So what else is pending? Just look at this step. We are having pi r square h. This is equal to, what is pending here? 1 by 3 pi capital R square h, capital H. Now pi on both sides can be cancelled. Okay. Now what else is pending? R square h is equal to 1 by 3 capital R square h. Okay. This small r is unknown for us. So let's write it as it is. What is h? 108. So into 108, this is equal to 1 by 3 into capital R square, that is 20 square. So 20 into 20 into h. What is h? 9. 3 times 9. Okay. So now this will be r square, which is equal to 20 into 20 into 3. 108 is multiplied here. When it comes to the other side, it goes as division. So 108. Okay. So now let's try to simplify here by using the two tables. 2 10 times and this is going to be to 5 times 10 to 4 times 8. Now by using the 3 tables, 3 1 times 3, 3 1 times 3, 3 8s are 24. Again by using the 2 tables, 2 10 times 20, 2 9 times 18. Okay, now we are having r square is equal to 10 into 10 by 9. Can we write it as 3 into 3? Yes, that's possible. So r will be equal to square. When it goes to the other side, it goes as square root. So square root of 10 into 10 by 3 into 3. What is our work inside the square root? Two identical numbers will be combined together, and for it we are going to write a single number outside the square root. For two identical 10, write a 10. For two identical 3, write a 3. So 10 by 3. So 10 by 3 centimeter. This will be the radius of each of the 3 smaller cones. Okay. Hope you all understood. Thank you.